Hello from London. This is Aaron Wiltshire from ETOA. I just wanted to take a few moments ahead of next week's ETM North America 2025, just to run through a few practical elements 1 week out from the event. So myself and the team will be running everything operationally from Brussels next week. Just as a reminder to everybody, the event is taking place on Thursday, the 27th of February. If you're joining from Europe, please note the login time on CET time is from 1 o'clock. Appointments will start from 1:30 and run until 8 o'clock. Please adjust that according to where you are, but we'll be running the event based on Central European time. Once you have access to the system, you will be able to toggle that according to where you'll be if you'll be in a different place next week. So just as an overview, this year we'll be doing something slightly different. You now have access to your provisional agendas, which have been made based on your preferences submitted in the first round. They're your preferences as well as those of the agents and operators that have been booked in. So this is the baseline of meetings that will be provided for you. Now you have a week to manage any top-ups that you have. We've got a few hundred buy meeting slots still available, and we've got new buyers being added in every day. I think 5 more in the last 24 hours or so. So I think the focus between now and next Wednesday at 8 o'clock will be just to pop into the system to review the available meetings and to manage your diary. That will be done on a request basis. If that request remains pending as of 8 o'clock next Wednesday, they will automatically be set as to confirm. So that's an important note that I'm highlighting both to the suppliers and buyers attending. That platform is now open, and you'll be able to go in and request the meetings and hopefully secure some extra slots for the day next week. Obviously, the format of the event is kind of quick fire introductions. You'll have your scheduled meetings as well as access to all of the information of all of the buyers attending, and the platform itself will be open for the month after. In case you haven't had the opportunity to be matched with the people that you want to meet, that availability is definitely available on the platform, as well as connections that will be incentivizing during the workshop itself. Obviously, North America is one of the most valuable inbound markets for Europe, so demand is very, very high. So we've tried our very hardest in order to accommodate that as much as possible. So not only for the event next week, where you'll be making your brief introductions via our online platform, you can arrange your own meetings either, again, via the platform after the event, or just have the contact details for a detailed follow-up afterwards. So, as I said, just make sure that it's clear with regards to your slots and the timings. That will be the afternoon of Thursday, the 27th, if you're joining from Europe. Obviously, that's an earlier start if you're joining as a supplier from North America as well. So that's it, really. Do get in touch via support@celestina.travel if you have any queries in the run-up to the event. You'll be given access to the online platform, the event platform, next Wednesday. We really encourage you to make sure ahead of the event itself that you've got full compatibility and everything's fine with your browser. We suggest Chrome for this event. That will also allow you to finish up any last bits of the online profile ahead of the meetings. So we look forward to seeing you from the host in Brussels online on next Thursday, the 27th of February. Thank you very much. See you then.